Hello, this is Alex from the functional support team. This is the third video about the use of your custom domains for your Odoo website, as well as for sending and receiving emails with your custom email addresses on your database. And there is one more step that we need to follow just before configuring our addresses in our database. By the way, we're going to use the default email server that Odoo comes with. There's not going to be any need of configuring a custom email server. We're just going to use the default by Odoo. However, we first need to add this in this documentation, sending emails with Odoo. We're going to have these security configurations just to make sure that our emails reach our customers or contacts inbox. So first, we need to be SPF compliant. I recommend that you read this documentation thoroughly and also enable DKIM. What we need to do is go to our email service provider, which in my case is DreamHost, which is the same as my uh, domain name register. And we need to add two more records. One is for the SPF record, which is actually it's a type TXT record in order to be SPF compliant. And we just need to copy the values that you'll find in the documentation. So in this case, um, this field, I need to add my domain, and the value is the one that you will find in the documentation. Just copy this here. I'm going to add the record. It has been added, and then to enable DKIM, I need also to copy paste a couple of values uh, for a new CNAME record. So in this case, it's odoo._domain key, which is the host, goes here, and it points to odoo._domain key, and then the name of the URL of your database. So copy this, paste it here, and add the record. So it has been added successfully. We're going to wait a little bit for this to propagate again. And while we do that, we're going to add our new user. So I can just type in users here. As you remember, we only have this user, but now we're going to create our new user with our new email, which is hello@reyes.tech. And we're just going to give this user full admin rights. I'm going to save this, and this is going to send an email for your new user. And as we saw before, we synchronized our DreamHost mail inbox with our Gmail. So we should be seeing that email coming into this inbox. I'm just going to check the spam folder just in case. As you can see, the email was received in the spam folder, but here we have it now. So let's accept the invitation. I'm just going to set a new password for this user. Okay, so since I logged in with the new user, I'm going to go back to my database. Let's sign in. We're going to sign in with the new user, a new password.